tired of trying to find where to source inventory for your eBay business? Well, I was at that point probably about a year into my reselling business. I had replaced my income quickly so I could stay home with my newborn. I retired from my dental career at the time, and I started to find that I was hitting a ceiling on trying to source inventory from garage sales, thrift stores, government auctions. But I was running into a wall of being able to source enough inventory to scale my business. And that's when I discovered eBay Consignment. And guys, I'm telling you, this was a game changer for me and my business, and it can be for you. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm with Paladin Global Market. I am passionate about helping to teach those who are wanting to learn how to start or grow their eBay business. I've been doing this for over 16 years. I had to figure it out on my own. Thank God there's YouTube now where people can do like what you're doing, log into a video, and someone is sharing their experience to help fast track your journey to success. And that's exactly what I'm doing for you here, because I had to struggle, guys. I had to struggle so much to be able to figure this out. And my heart's desire genuinely is to help protect you from having to do that struggle. I think that, yes, experience is a good teacher, but learning from someone else's experience is a much better teacher. So let's get started. eBay Consignment. It's a whole different business model. Now, to be honest, I do multiple different streams of income for my eBay business. I'm always sourcing for inventory at different places in different ways. But I can tell you, I do not have enough time in the day to be able to sell all of the items that is available to me through eBay Consignment. I don't advertise anymore, and I haven't for quite a while, that I can sell things for you on eBay because I don't have the room or the time to be able to handle all the stuff that people give to me to sell. And it's great stuff. Now, this is things that can happen to you. Once you start reselling on eBay, I highly recommend, through my online course, I teach people how to do this, but you can watch my videos and piece it together. But basically, you want to be able to start reselling things that you already have around the house. You want to start getting a feel for the eBay business model. You want to start learning through your experiences. You want to start sourcing inventory and learning what is good inventory to sell on eBay and what is not good inventory to sell, whether because there's not a market demand for it, it's too heavy to ship. You can ship heavy things, but you got to watch the cost of how much that if it's a $30 item, you don't want the buyer to have to pay $30 in shipping too. It's usually not going to be a good deal. So you learn what's a good thing, an item to resell on eBay, whether it's good to ship. Is there a demand for this item? Is it going to sit on your shelf for months at a time, taking up valuable space and keeping your cash flow tied up from the business because you purchased this item and now it's just sitting there waiting to be sold? So I want you to learn that process first and get some experience reselling on eBay for yourself before you step into offering to resell items for other people on eBay. It is a whole different business model, a whole nother animal. It's not for everybody. I can tell you that from the start. You do need to add in a layer of customer service. So not only are you you're going out, you're having items, typically once the word gets out, items are coming to you left and right, really good items I should say, but not only are you bringing those items in, but you're going to need to learn to list them, or of course you'll be selling them on eBay, but then you also have the part of the business where you're also conversing with the item's owner, your consignment client. If you get a best offer, you can't, unless you have it set up at the beginning, you can't just accept the best offer. You need to ask the client, is this acceptable? Do you want me to counteroffer? Do you want me to accept it? Or you can set your business model up in such a way that you already have this agreed upon at the very beginning. You can drop your price 20%, type of thing, depending on your client. But the eBay business consignment model, there's a lot more systems that you need to put in place, a lot more record keeping, and you also have that customer service aspect, and you need to be really on top of your records, because not only are you needing to keep your records for your eBay business, but you're needing to report it to your client when you pay them for their proceeds once their items have sold on eBay. Now, I just want to be clear and transparent on this. If you're considering having an eBay business or a consignment business, or you're just looking at making a little extra income and selling some stuff for a friend or a family member, I want you to go into this with your eyes wide open to know the pros and cons of, excuse me, of having an eBay consignment business. The pros: you're going to tap into inventory that's going to be hard to find typically, as far as at garage sales and thrift stores and that type of thing. You're going to be able to tap into the high dollar items typically pretty quickly, and the only cost that you have as the seller is your time and your expertise. So you need to get really good on vetting the items. I'm sorry, because if an item is, and I learned this at the beginning of my business of starting this type of business, the consignment business, is when you take items on and you tell the client, yes, I think I can sell this for you on eBay, and I go through steps in my course on how to do that a little more systematically instead of just kind of guessing. But when you take these items into your care, you're now going to be investing your time, and your time is money. You don't want to take these items in, if you need to clean them up very gently, to get them ready for photos, get some dust off of them. You know, there's a little dirt on someone's really nice pair of shoes, that type of thing. You need to prepare the item. You need to photograph the item. As you know, if you've sold on eBay before, you get your items, your title, your description, your shipping stuff all ready to go. You'd hate to be able to go through all of that work, put it on eBay, and crickets, and it sit there forever. And worst case, you have to return the item to the client and you didn't even sell it. So your money involved is your time, and your time is money. But the cool thing about eBay consignment is you're not having to go out and purchase inventory hoping that it will sell while your money is held up in those items. See, that's how I discovered eBay consignment, because I was a young mother at the time, and I was desperately trying to find a way to be able to stay home with my daughter so that I could raise her and get her, you know, until she gets back into the school age years. She was a newborn, and I wanted to be able to soak up all the time that I had with her. But my cash flow was very tight, very tight. And so if I spent an item, if I purchased items at a garage sale or thrift store, and that money is tied up in that item until it sells, that really caused a big problem. So consignment was just a game changer for me, because you're getting these items for free, guys. And as long as you take care of the customer, you do an excellent job, you take care of the buyer that's buying your item through eBay, you keep your feedback scores up, and you're timely, and you're really good with your record keeping, you're gonna have a profitable business. So I encourage you, if you have not considered eBay consignment before, please do. Feel free to message me, leave some comments in this video. I'd love to hear from you. If you're enjoying my videos, will you please give it a thumbs up? It really does help. It encourages me, lets me know that I'm helping others. I've got a lot on my plate, and my heart's desire for making these videos is to help you. So let me hear from you and let me know that it's helping you as well. This is Michelle of Paladin Global Market. If you'd like to sign up for my email list, it's in the description below. And I upload videos for you every week to help benefit you in your eBay business. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.